Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all some of these hyped up viral products. I'd spoken about this haul in I think 2-3 videos back where I mentioned that I have purchased a couple of these viral hyped up products and I wanted to share them with you all. Also, it's going to be a first impressions because I did try out a couple of them. So now without further ado, let's get started. The very first products that I have are from Hyphen because this has been going out of stock every single place. I'm talking about the Hyphen's vitamin infused peptide lip balm in the variant hazel. This is the Hyphen's colored lip balm and oh my god, this hazel color went viral. I was lucky enough to get my hands on this because I got it from Amazon. Like the first time I saw that they're listed on Amazon, I just quickly made a purchase. So this one, okay, it's a beautiful nude pink brown shade. Now I personally am a person who doesn't like tinted lip balms. I really like clear lip balms. That's why I really love Laneige lip balms. But then when I was like hearing so hype about this and very similar to the Rhode one, I was like, might as well get it, try it out. And this hazel color was the only one that I was going to get my hands on, and I finally did. Guys, it's a beautiful lip balm. If you have not purchased it yet, please do because you're missing out on a lot. Yeah, it's a bit difficult to find because it goes out of stock crazily, but for the price point, it's a beautiful lip balm. I personally feel Kriti Sanon has been nailing with her Hyphen game. I also really like the fact they put in so much of efforts in their packaging and the detailing, so I really loved it and would recommend you guys to get on this viral trend of this Hyphen lip balm. And guys, I purchased a lot of products from Hyphen because I really want to do a dedicated video on their products. So make sure you subscribe to the channel because the next haul after this one is going to be like all of those skincare items that I purchased. Next item from Hyphen that went viral is their vitamin infused peptide dewy drops. These are like, you know, your primer come illuminating sort of a drop. So this is something that you wear before makeup or just as it is. It's quite liquidy, if you can hear it, and it's got like this very pretty shimmer, soft shimmer particles as well. I'm just going to take the tiniest amount. It's great to use it as a primer, use it before makeup, use it like just as it is to have a beautiful sheen effect going on your face. So yeah, I got this one. I have tried it out a couple of times and it did not disappoint me. I really like it. Okay, so the next viral product that I have is the Foxtails face mask. This is their purple face mask, and from the packaging you can clearly see I have used it. I've used it like twice and it is exactly like how you see it in the videos. Vibrant lavender purple color, very jiggly, yeah. And it's a clay mask that helps clean your pores, helps reduce blackheads, whiteheads. Now I've used it twice. I'm really not sure about blackheads, whiteheads, but it does give you a beautiful glow and kind of helps in detanning. And another thing that I love about this Foxtail face mask is that it doesn't dry out and crack up your face. It actually stays up and kind of leaves your skin moisturized. So that's a great thing because what really happens is, you know, if you use like any Upton face mask, it gets dry and starts cracking up, which is really bad. But this is not the case with the Foxtail face mask. Now I'm struggling to just close it. I don't know why. But yeah, it's a really good, you know, face mask. I don't know why I said lip mask, but the face mask. Next two products that I have are from Maybelline. The very first thing that you have guessed is the Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. It was launched a couple of months back, went viral. Everybody's talking that it's like one of the best foundations from Maybelline. I anyway wanted to get a new foundation and I kind of watched a lot of reviews and all of them were mixed reviews. Some people loved it, some people were just like, no, it's not my thing. So I have honestly grown using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I love it till date, but I really wanted something new, so I picked up this. This is in the shade 125. To be honest, it's a beautiful foundation. It really worked well for me. I'm currently wearing it. I'm a person who rarely wears a foundation. I mean, mostly I wear it during filming videos. So I was a bit, you know, I mean, I'm really not the best person to give you the foundation ratings because I do not like full coverage. I'm not a person who will wear it regularly or even on occasions. I'll only wear it during weddings if necessary or during filming videos because you really have to do that. So yeah, I honestly really liked it. It layers up very well. You can build up the coverage. Secondly, the best part is I really like to use cream bronzers and, you know, cream contour, cream blushes all of these products sit so well and the foundation doesn't budge. So if you're like me who doesn't really care about, you know, having a lot of coverage or a cakey face and just wants a good beautiful foundation, get it because it's affordable and the packaging is stunning. Now the next from Maybelline is not really anything new. It's like an old viral concealer. It's just that I never got it. I finally got it. This is the Maybelline's New York Instant Age Rewind Concealer. I got it in the shade 100. Beautiful concealer. I have already used it, as you can see, and it's a nice perfect shade for me for a brightening effect. So yeah, I mean, I love Maybelline as a brand in general, so got this one. It's like a very old viral product. Next one that I have is the Beauty of Joseon sunscreen. This is the Beauty of Joseon Relief Sunrise Plus Probiotics SPF 50 plus. Yeah, it is quadruple plus. Now this sunscreen has literally gone viral. It's a 1500 rupees sunscreen. Everybody is going crazy for it. I'm really glad that they also have a mini variant. If you're not wanting to spend 1500, you can buy the 300 rupees one. But guys, I got it from Amazon for just 812 rupees. Like, that's how crazy Amazon sales are going on. And I checked the expiry date also, guys. The expiry date is in the year 26. So yeah, it's going to be lasting me. I mean, I'm going to finish it up next year, probably this year itself. I've used it a couple of times. It's a beautiful sunscreen, just exactly how people describe it. It's butter smooth, gets absorbed into your skin, leaves a nice glow, and secondly, no white cast. So if you're someone who's okay to spend so much of money, get your hands on this. But during the Amazon sale, you can find it in a budget. So yeah, I mean, I'm really wanting to try out now more products from Beauty of Joseon because this sunscreen didn't disappoint. Now the last viral product that I have is quite a non-surprise for you guys, which is Nivea Creme. Now the reason why I say it like a viral product, because recently on my For You page, the only thing that I see is how this Nivea moisturizer is a dupe of La Mer, and it's a beautiful moisturizer. You need to use it. Now this is something that has been going on since years, but it came into my notice recently. So I ordered this thing from Amazon. Guys, you need to order the Nivea tin moisturizer, not the plastic tub one. And secondly, you need to order the one that is made in Germany, because the formulation of Germany is different from the formulation of US. So this moisturizer is a thick, highly hydrating moisturizer that you can use, like it's a multi-purpose moisturizer, so you can use it on your face, body, heels, wherever. It's really thick, like just a swipe is going to give me so much of product. So if I take like a good swipe like I do for my regular moisturizer, see the amount of product that it comes. It's extremely hydrating and thick, and the ingredients are like 80% closer to the ones that are there in the La Mer foundation, which is outrageously expensive. So a lot of people have been using this Nivea Creme as something like, their face mask at night. So what they would do is they would apply a thick layer of this Nivea mask on their face, keep it on for an hour, and then wash it off. Or some people would use it as their nighttime moisturizer. Some people would use it as a primer, before doing the makeup. So there's a lot of different ways you can use it. Now I used it a couple of times as my moisturizer. I did use it as a moisturizer a couple of times. It was okay, like not that it did wonders to my skin or it hampered my skin or anything. It was good. Now I really want to try it out in a couple of more ways. Let me know if you want to see a review on this. I would love to share it with you guys, like a proper breakdown about this moisturizer. But overall, I'm really happy with it. I really need to give it more trial and error to figure out how exactly you can make use of this Nivea moisturizer. But it really works, and I've seen people talking about it that their parents have been using it since years and their skin is great. So let's see. So guys, those were all the products that I got, the hyped up viral products, guys. So I hope you all enjoyed this haul. If you do, then make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.